Next topic is solubility. The maximum amount of solute in grams which can be dissolved in 100 grams of the solvent at a given temperature to form a saturated solution is called the solubility of the solute in that solvent at that particular temperature. For example, a maximum of 32 grams of potassium nitrate can be dissolved in 100 grams of water at 20 degrees centigrade. Thus, the solubility of potassium nitrate at 20 degrees centigrade. Thus, the solubility of potassium nitrate at 20 degrees centigrade is 32 grams. Similarly, a maximum of 36 grams of common salt can be dissolved in 100 grams of water at 20 degrees centigrade. Therefore, the solubility of common salt in water at 20 degrees centigrade is 36 grams. It is clear from these examples different substances have different solubilities in the same solvent at a given temperature. The same substance may have different solubilities in different solvents. For example, sugar or common salt is more soluble in water than in alcohol. Now, you can find the solubility of a solute by using this formula. Solubility of solute at T degree centigrade, any temperature, that is T, is equal to weight of solute in gram by weight of solvent in gram into 100. Of temperature, effect of temperature and pressure on solubility. When a saturated solution at a particular temperature is heated, becomes unsaturated. This is because the solubility of a substance generally increases with increase in temperature, and hence more solute can be dissolved on increasing the temperature. For example, potassium nitrate. The solubility of potassium nitrate at 10 degrees centigrade is 21. When the solution of saturated solution of potassium nitrate is heated up to 20 degrees centigrade, the solution of potassium nitrate becomes unsaturated, and 11 gram of potassium nitrate can be added to make it a saturated solution. So we can say that solubility of a substance generally increases with increase in temperature. At 10 degrees centigrade, the solubility is 21. At 20 degrees centigrade, solubility is 32. At 40 degrees centigrade, solubility is 62. At 60 degrees centigrade, solubility is 106. If a saturated solution at a particular temperature is cooled, then some of the dissolved solute will separate out in the form of crystal. This is because solubility of solute in solution decreases on cooling. For example, when saturated solution of potassium nitrate at 20 degrees centigrade is cooled to 10 degrees centigrade, its solubility decreases from 30 to 21, and excess 11 gram of potassium nitrate will separate out in form of crystals. Solubility of solids in liquids remains unaffected by change in pressure. Solubility of gas in liquid. Solubility of gases in liquids. The solubility of gas in liquid increases on decreasing the temperature or decreases on increasing the temperature. For example, water contains dissolved oxygen. When water is boiled, the solubility of oxygen in water decreases and the excess oxygen escapes in the form of bubbles. The solubility of gas in liquids, however, increases on increasing the pressure and decreases on decreasing the pressure. For example, during manufacture of cold drinks, carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. When a bottle of soft drink is opened, the pressure inside decreases and the solubility of carbon dioxide also decreases. So, the excess dissolved carbon dioxide escapes in the form of bubbles.